Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to link Eero to your Starlink. To connect your Eero to Starlink, you have to follow some kind of steps which I'm going to show you. So set up your Starlink. Ensure that your Starlink dish is installed and connected properly. Use the Starlink app to confirm that you have a stable internet connection. Right, this is very important. Now obtain the Ethernet adapter if needed. Right, if you have the older Starlink Generation 2 router, you will need to purchase a Starlink Ethernet adapter to connect to Eero. For the newer Gen 3 router, you can connect directly using the built-in Ethernet ports. Connect Eero to Starlink. Using Ethernet, plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the Starlink router and the other end into the WAN, that is the internet port of your Eero device. Ensure both the Starlink router and Eero are powered on. Open the Eero app on your mobile device. If you haven't set up your Eero network yet, you need to follow the app instruction to configure your network settings, including naming your network and setting and password. Now disable Starlink Wi-Fi to avoid any interference. Check connectivity. Once everything is connected, check your internet connection on the device connected to your Eero network to ensure you have access through Starlink. Right, so this is very important. Additional tips: placement: position your Eero unit strategically around your house for the optimal coverage. Testing: after setup, test the Wi-Fi connection throughout your home to ensure strong and stable coverage. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.